Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a delicious review of Earth Goods Organic Crunchy Peanut Butter. If you're a peanut butter lover, you'll want to stick around for this one. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. Alright, let's start with the basics. Earth Goods Organic Crunchy Peanut Butter is made with organic roasted peanuts, no added sugar, no palm oil, and no preservatives. It's all natural, gluten-free, and non-GMO. Sounds pretty good, right? But how does it actually taste? First things first, I really like the packaging. Clean, simple, and eco-friendly. It's a glass jar, which is always a plus for sustainability. Now, let's take a look inside. You can see the oil separation, which is totally normal for natural peanut butter. Give it a good stir, and you're ready to go. Alright, moment of truth. Let's taste it straight from the jar first. Takes a bite. Wow, it's got a rich roasted peanut flavor, and the crunch is just perfect. Not too chunky, not too smooth. It is that natural, fresh taste that you just don't get from processed peanut butters. Now let's try it on toast. Takes a bite. It spreads really well, and the crunch gives it a great texture. This would be amazing in smoothies, oatmeal, or even in peanut butter cookies. 100% organic, no additives, rich roasted peanut taste, crunchy but not overly chunky. Comes in a sustainable glass jar. Natural oil separation means you need to stir before using. Slightly more expensive than regular peanut butter. Overall, the pros definitely outweigh the cons. So, is Earth Goods Organic Crunchy Peanut Butter worth it? If you love natural, high-quality peanut butter with a rich nutty taste, then yes, it's perfect for health-conscious eaters who want a clean, organic option. That's it for today's review. What do you think? Have you tried this peanut butter before? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest food reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Until next time, stay crunchy.